Namaste, how are you guys? So I keep getting DMs on my Instagram saying please do a video on how you edit your pictures. Now there's no one particular way that I edit my picture. I edit each and every picture a different way. I'm someone who loves sunset and I especially love pink sunset, like they are my favorites. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I turn my normal sunset pictures into like a bright pink sunset pictures. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I did a poll on Instagram and 85% of you said yes, so here it is. I hope you enjoy this video. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon, that way you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now without further ado, let's get started with this video. I use Lightroom desktop version, so I know a lot of you might not have access to it, so I'm gonna use the Lightroom that's on my phone right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to edit this on the phone, so it will be helpful for you. So first, obviously, you'll have to download the Lightroom app and then you will have to import the picture. Now it's very simple. You just have to click the sign that's there on the bottom right corner. Just click there and just import the picture. So I've already imported my picture here. This is what I'm gonna work with. Like you can see, it's so dull. There's no colors here. This was clicked on a GoPro. So first and foremost, I'll just go to color and just increase the temperature to 8 or 9, tint till 10. Then we'll move to the light. We'll make the exposure brighter because I like my pictures to be bright, so let's say 45. Yes. Make the contrast say 9. Okay, 9 is fine. Then go to highlights and I just reduce the highlight completely for my sunset pictures because I just want the clouds to pop. Then I'll increase the shadow by say 30-ish, yes. So you can see the back of my dress now. I'll make the whites 13, 12, okay? And the blacks darker, so 21 is okay. Then we'll go to the colors again and take the vibrance and make it all the way to 43, yes. Also saturation should be like 16, 15 is also fine. This is the before and here's the after. Like you can see, the picture has already so much difference here, but I think it's still not enough. So we'll go to colors and there we'll go to mix, which is on the right side. We'll click there and you'll get this color mix. Now this is one of the main reasons why I use Lightroom. So we'll make the red minus 17. Moving over to the orange, we'll make it minus 9, 10. 10 is fine. Since there's a little bit of orange on the back side, I want it to be popping. So that's why I'll just increase the saturation here to say 49. Yes, you can see the difference there. If you just slide, you'll see the difference of where it's exactly affecting. So I'll just make it like 50-ish. If you want, you can increase the saturation for yellow as well. Let's make it say 12-ish. And then I don't see a lot of greens here, but still there's a little bit of grass there, so I'll just turn up the saturation here as well. I'll just make it like 20. And then we'll move over to the last one, that's pink or magenta, and we'll make it plus 24, 21. Oh, we'll also have to like do the blue. I forgot about that. So blue will go down to say 26 and we'll also make it saturated because there's blue water involved here. So we'll make it like 20, 30, 34, fine. And we'll also increase the saturation for magenta or pink and we'll make it like 17, no, 15. So color portion is done. We'll just click on done then. That's done. Let's see the difference again. This is the before and this is the after. Now comes the main part. We'll just go to effects and then we'll go to split tone. Now this one is a major point. If you miss this, everything is gone. So you'll just take the highlight, the circle that's in the highlight, and take it to 311 and make the saturation up So like you can see the difference is happening here. 23 is fine. And for the shadows, we'll keep it at 0, but we'll increase the saturation for shadows and we'll make it like plus 15. Then we'll take the balance and make it oh my god, this is so saturated. Plus 27, 29, 30. 30 is good. So like you can see, the sky is pink now. If you want more pink, you can obviously increase the saturation and take it all the way up there or bring it down. Also, I do this one thing where I add vignette and I'll just add like minus 10 or 12, make it 11, and here's the before and here's the after. If you want to copy paste this settings, the same settings on other pictures, so you don't have to edit it again and again, you just have to click on the 3 dots that's on the top right and click on copy settings. Click OK and go to the picture, the next picture that you wish to, paste the settings in, and just paste the settings. So you can see it has already done its magic. So here's the before and after of the picture. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you decide to use this technique, then please don't forget to share the pictures with me with the hashtag edit with Dhwani, I think. Yes, edit with Dhwani. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you have any further video requests. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram. I think I post good pictures there. So yeah, please do that. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.